Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm looking at these kits that I've got for Let's Kit Together this month. And this month it's called Bunch of Thanks. And I just want to show you. So it comes in a little package with the instructions and a photo of all the projects. And then you go on the back and it comes with a stamp set. So here's kind of what the stamp set image looks like. And it's got the stamp set in there. Comes with a Mossy Meadow ink spot. It has some twine. It has a block for you and some foam squares, all the adhesive that you require, and enough kit projects to create 4 each of these 2 cards. So I just want to show you quickly what these cards are. So it has this cute twine on here, and you open up this 2-layer card, and it has a message inside and then a message on the little tag. So how cute is that? And each one, well, you can decorate it however you choose, but each one uses a different set of the messages. And you create 8 cards with this card workshop. And then it has some cute little envelopes with a little design on it as well. So that's super fun. So I hope you'll come to Let's Get Together sometime. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.